Jalup Gavana ma County ma Kericho Fred Kirui gikone oketo ler weche maliekore wi onge mar winjruok e kinde gi jatende ma en Gavana ma County Dr. Eric Mutai. Kirui wacho ni winjruok mare gi Mutai ochore kinde manyocha e ango jotend migepe ma County ma Kericho ka jogo mano gwelo nowitoko. Mae timore ka Kirui osebedo ka koso chopero mathoth ka olieko ni onge kwe e kare mar tich.
Our coming together was made possible by various leaders, including our Senator, Honorable Franklin Bett, and various notable leaders, elders, including Pastor Joel Kimeto. And after several meetings spearheaded by Honorable Franklin Bett and Job Chirchir, a deal was brokered between myself and His Excellency the Governor, in which we agreed that I will run alongside the Governor as his running mate. It was also agreed that upon being elected, we will share the county leadership in the ratio of 40% to the Deputy Governor and 60% to the Governor. From the onset, therefore, it was agreed that the government we were forming was going to be a negotiated government. In total disregard to the pre-election agreement, my negotiated share of the cabinet slots in the list that has been submitted to the County Assembly for vetting is not reflected. Such actions and other related moves in the recent past have caused mistrust and discomfort and has clearly dented our working relationship.